Hi, third graders. This is Mrs. Fernandi. I'm so excited to work with you in spelling and word work this year. We are going to jump right in with a good week of review. A lot of this you will have learned before, but you just need to bear with me. It will get more challenging if it feels a little simple right now. We're just going to go over some basic vocabulary words to start with, the difference between a vowel and a consonant. And you probably know this already, but just let's review it anyway. There are 5 vowels in the English language that are always vowels. See if you can name them. A, E, I, O, U. That's correct. Most of the rest of the letters are always consonants. There are a couple of exceptions, couple of letters that are sometimes vowels, and those include W and Y. We'll talk more about those later. Vowels are really important, in part because we cannot have a syllable in English without a vowel. So a syllable means something like, let's look at the words that I've got up on there on the board behind me. Make kindness the norm. I really like what it says. But it also is there because we're going to look at vowels and consonants. The first word is make. Make is just a 1-syllable word. It has one long vowel sound, and that vowel sound is A, make. Kindness, however, kindness has 2 syllables in it. The first syllable, what is the vowel sound you hear? The long I, kind. And the second vowel sound you hear, ness, the E is a short E sound. The has 1 vowel, so it's a 1-syllable word. Norm has 1 vowel, so 1-syllable word. Let's go ahead, and the rest of the, I think I said this already, the rest of the letters are constantly consonants, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. I'm going to share with you now a PowerPoint that I made. Oh, heavens to Betsy, where is it? There we go. All right, here we are with our very first lesson this year. We're going to talk about 3 of the 5 vowels today. We're going to talk about A, E, and I, and we're going to talk about the short version of those, which are A, E, and I. We're also going to talk about a couple of consonants, special consonant blends that are called consonant diagraphs. Consonant diagraphs are 2 or more consonants that make 1 single sound. So when we put TH together, we don't say T, we say th or th. When we put C and H together, we say ch. And we put S and H together, we say sh, like this boy is doing. And WH, we say wh. 2 consonants together make a consonant digraph. And we'll use that word quite a bit, so it's good if you learn it. I'll keep reminding you, however. Let's look at some ways to remember our short vowels. Oh, and the other thing is I do like when you know the vocabulary. The little smiley face above the A, above the E, and above the I show that we're talking about a short vowel. It's called a breve. Say if you say that at home, breve. The little marking that looks like a smiley face is called the breve, and it's telling us, oh, this is the short vowel. So this is an A, E, and I. Some ways to remember, the cat is at the chair. The A sound in at is the short A sound. This cat is on the edge of the chair, really on the edge of the chair. The E in edge is the short E sound. And this cat is in the chair. This cat is truly in the chair. No room for anybody else. The I in is the short I sound. So here are some more words with short vowels. Add. When I add blue paint to yellow, I get green. The sound D. Now, when we see 2 backslashes like that, we're not talking about the letter D. In fact, I think I said that wrong just now. The sound D is spelled DD in this word. So whenever you see those, you're making the sound of the letter. You're not saying the letter's name. So we're using 2 Ds at the end of add. Led. The girl with the red hat led the way. That's that short the short E sound you hear in led and red. With. He came to school with his sister. The th sound is spelled TH and is unvoiced. And we'll talk about that more. But what I'm saying there is I can say the TH with my voice. That means my voice box is actually going to vibrate a little. Or I can say it like this with, I'm only making that sound in my mouth. That's unvoiced. The rich king had gold and silver. The digraph is CH or ch. More words with short vowels. Here is fresh, eat fresh fruits and vegetables. What is our consonant digraph in the word fresh? SH, that's right. Shh. Which, she wondered which book to choose. How many consonant digraphs are you seeing? I think I'm seeing the WH and the CH and ch. Thick, they put on a thick coat of paint. Again, we are seeing two consonant digraphs. And the sound k after a short vowel is almost always spelled with CK. Check, there it is again, CK after a short vowel. We will all check our work. CK is a digraph. Here are some sight words as well, just a few of them for us to think about this week. Cold, Mom told us it was cold outside. So we put on our scarves and our hats. Hold, fold the paper and hold it up. Look at how many ways we were using the word old, the O-L-D, to spell new words. Told, cold, fold, and hold. Ooh, that was an interesting one. Pull is another sight word. We'll pull the wagon to the park. P-U-L-L, pull. I think that one is a little harder than the told, cold, hold. We'll see how you do. Full, the glass is half full. And those are all the sight words we're thinking about, just the O-L-D and the U-L-L. That's what we're thinking about this week. Okay, let me give you another thing to think about. Here is my list of words, your list of words. You'll find these on your Seesaw account. Add is the first word. There we have, let me go ahead and grab a quick pencil here. Got it. We see that it's got the DD at the end. Lead, we know if we put a little breathe, there's my little smiley face, we have the short E sound there. With, there's our consonant digraph to TH. Rich, consonant digraph, CH, short I sound, rich, and with, the same as the cat is in the chair. Fresh, we have the short E sound here, so there's my breathe, and here is our consonant digraph, SH. Which, ooh, look at this. We have two consonant digraphs. Remember, a consonant digraph is two or more letters that make the same sound with the short I there. Thick, short, consonant digraph. They just make one sound. Check, CH and CK, check. And cold, these are our sight words. There's my old, O-L-D. How old are you? Are you 8 years old? Are you 9 years old? If we put a C in front of it, we get cold. If we put an H in front of it, we get hold. Pull, here's our other sight word set we're going to think about this week. Pull and full. All right, let's now go to another. This time, what I would really like you to do is I'd like you to go ahead and get you can pause me if you need to, if you don't have it already, a notebook. Maybe it's your writing notebook, maybe it's a fresh notebook just for spelling. Take it out and turn to the first page and write number 1 at the top for lesson 1. I'm going to pull up my text box. I'm going to choose a color. I think I'll choose green to start us off. All right, our first word that we're going to write together actually is add. And we've already done that twice today. So the at, like short A sound, and then DD to make the D sound. Then we're gonna do led. The girl with the red hat led the way. That's the short DE sound, got that one, the short vowel sound, right? With, he came to school with his sister. We hear the W, it, short I sound like the cat is in the chair. And the digraph, you got it, TH, unvoiced. Rich, the rich king had gold and silver. Short I sound. Consonant digraph is ch, CH. Excellent. The next one is fresh. Short E sound, like the cat is on the edge of the chair. Shh. one sound made by the consonant digraph SH. The next one is which. I've got that consonant digraph at the beginning. Some people say the and some people just say with. So whichever way you do it, it is a consonant digraph, WH. I, the short I sound, the cat is in the chair. Ch, the consonant digraph ch. Number 7 is thick. That's a consonant digraph TH, short I sound I. Consonant digraph, remember when we are after a short vowel in a sentence, in a word, we're typically going to write CK. We're going to use that consonant digraph when it is at the end of a word that has a short vowel in it. Our next word is check. Let's all check our work. We have a consonant digraph, CH, short E sound E, and CK, another consonant digraph. So let's see what else we have. Oh, that is it for today. I didn't even realize we were at the end. Pretty easy peasy, I think. Let me come back to you. Okay, students, that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you again in a couple of days with another lesson. Remember, this first week, there's no test. So make kindness the norm. And I will see you next time. Be well.